Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all will be good and you all will be learning properly and doing your homework regularly that you are getting from school. I am your English teacher Rahul Misra. Today in this section I am here for class 2nd students with their syllabus book English grammar. So everyone will open their book from page number 5 with chapter 1. With book everyone will come with a copy and a pencil, and as I taught you on previous class the word that English language there are 26 letters in alphabet. Letters are smallest unit in a language, and we learn capital letters and small letters, and I taught you the groups, alphabetical groups, vowels and consonant. As vowels have 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and others are consonant. So today we will learn from page number 6 the word. So make a heading of word. Okay, on after heading everyone will write that when 2 or more letters are joined together to give some solid meaning is called a word. जब 2 या 2 से अधिक अक्षर एक साथ लिखे जाते हैं तब एक शब्द बनता है. ओके, एज एग्जाम्पल हियर BAT, bat. Okay, here are 3 letters BAT and the meaning is bat means balla. Okay, another example is DOG. Here also 3 letters and the meaning is kutta. Okay, if the words have no meaning they are not words. It doesn't mean that you will write any of the letter and you will suggest that it's a word. No, that font, that will not a word. Every word should express a proper meaning. शब्दों का एक निश्चित अर्थ निकलना चाहिए. For example, that here ATB, it doesn't have any meaning. ACR, it also a without meaning word. Okay, so the word will be, if we are writing a word, so it should express a proper meaning. That will be a word, otherwise it won't be a word. Okay, clear? So everyone will write with a heading, and the definition will be when 2 or more letters are joined together to give some solid meaning is called word, with examples. Okay, so now we are moving to the spelling. The next heading is spelling, and the definition will be the correct sequence of letter in a word is called spelling. अक्षरों का सही क्रम स्पेलिंग कहलाता है. जैसे दिस इज मोर इक्वल देन वर्ड. एज वी वर लर्निंग दैट शब्द में अक्षरों के एक साथ आने से उसका एक प्रॉपर अर्थ निकलता है. सेम थिंग्स स्पेलिंग्स में भी फॉलो होती है, लेकिन स्पेलिंग में हम किसी के नाम को भी ऐड करते हैं तो नाम का कोई अर्थ होता नहीं है, पर नाम का जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है वो सही होना चाहिए. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं अपना नाम लिखता हूँ, मेरा नाम फॉर एग्जांपल RAHUL, राहुल. ओके, द स्पेलिंग इज RAHUL. अगर हम ए और आर को इंटरचेंज करें, ए की जगह आर को लिख दें और आर की जगह ए को लिख दें, सो इट विल बी ARHUL. सो इस स्पेलिंग का प्रोनाउंसिएशन अरहुल होगा, और ये इस स्पेलिंग ये और ये स्पेलिंग गलत हो जाएगी। ओके, सो स्पेलिंग में स्पेलिंग का प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी एक वो मीनिंग एक्सप्रेस उसके लेटर से होना चाहिए, तभी वो स्पेलिंग करेक्ट मानी जाएगी। ओके, सो everyone will write with heading spelling, and the definition will be the correct sequence of letter in a word is called spelling. Okay.